All right, we're at 1424 Spring Street with Clinton Kurtz from Kurtz Construction, and we're doing a major renovation on this house. And we teamed up with Clinton because he has 20 years experience. He's a general contractor. He's worked on huge projects and done a lot of custom homes. Clinton, how you doing, bud?
Hey, bud.
Good seeing you.
Good to see you, buddy.
So Clinton, if you don't mind, just tell us what we're doing to this project from top to bottom.
This home was originally built before 1910, and there are very few homes, just a handful in this area that are that old. Because of that, we really thought it was important to try to keep the home and as much of it as possible. There's so much history here. Unfortunately, the floor plan is not modern, and there's a lot of damage to the home. Some of the things weren't built to current code, so there's a big undertaking to renovate it. This old section of the house had to be removed. In fact, there's concrete, different substrates, different floors, and a lot of it's got to be taken out. But this is going to be the new pantry, and the new kitchen's going to be over here, and the new mudroom. So I'll kind of walk you inside and show you the new spot over here. Everything in the house is wood slats. So the floors are hardwood. The walls are all essentially a hardwood. It's a wood slat. Even the ceilings were all hardwoods. That really kind of helped the home to stay together, even though a lot of the framing isn't quite as robust as it is nowadays.
When we pulled down the old drywall, we found out these were all old ceilings like this, right?
That's correct. Yeah, there was when we first, you can see some of the stuff hanging, but there was an ACT ceiling in here, and we ripped it all out. We realized the original ceilings were actually 12 feet high, which is, it's not common in any home nowadays, a 12-foot high ceiling. So they did that a lot in 100 years ago for heating and cooling. A lot of the heat would go up, it would stay cooler in the home. This is going to be the new dining space that's right off of the kitchen. This will all be opened up and flow really well. One of the ways we're going to do that is to build all new foundations on the back of the house and all new foundations on the front of the house. And then our roof is going to pitch to those two new foundation walls. That'll take all the roof load off of these existing walls. We'll put a few headers in to kind of make it all work, and then all these walls can come out. We're going to, again, save all this lumber, but this will be a big open space, dining and kitchen and mudroom and pantry. And as you come around, this wall will also be gone, but that'll take us into the family room, which flows right into it. We want to keep the original front door where it is and open all this space up. So all these walls will go. We're going to put a fireplace on this wall over here. And a new wall is going to go right about here. And this will be a big guest bedroom with its own bathroom, a nice setup right off the entry. And this whole space here will be completely opened up, so you'll have a nice open floor plan with the family room, living room, into the dining room, into the kitchen. We originally wanted to do a much bigger expansion. The city changed the setbacks on this property, so we could only go so far, unfortunately. So we wanted to do a big porch on the front, and the city won't let us, so we have to do a much smaller porch. We wanted to kind of keep some of the historical look of the home, but the city wanted brick, so we kind of had to make a little change there, pivot there. So we want to pour a whole new slab in this area because there's a driveway that's poured but doesn't connect to the house. And in any modern home now, you need to have a garage. So we're going to pour the slab from the driveway into the garage, and then that slab's going to come all the way up to this stake you see here on the ground. It's going to be about 1,100 square foot of additional space, and it'll be a 2-story addition. We're going to have to tear off that existing roof to make the roof lines work, but it's going to be a really, really nice addition, nice, great space. Next to the garage will be 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and above will be a really, really nice, beautiful, luxurious master suite with its own walkout deck.
Kind of walk through everything here. Can't wait to show you all some progress videos of how this project's going. Can't wait to get it started and finished, of course, and then get it sold. So stay tuned for some more progress videos as we go through this project.